Electronics engineering is the design and the manufacture of electronic systems, including the computers, telecommunications equipments, and medical devices. Electronic engineering combines a knowledge of the electrical engineering, computer engineering, and the communications engineering to design integrated circuits, communication systems, computers, and the micro electromechanical systems. An important aim of the field is to ensure that the systems are safe, secure, and environmentally friendly. Electronic engineers generally use computer aided design software to design the electronic circuits and the equipment, and sometimes manufacturing hardware. Through this though this detail is not mandatory for this profession. Electronics engineers design and develop the electronic devices, including the digital integrated circuits and the complex systems for the mobile phones, data processing, media and the entertainment, telecommunications, control systems, medical equipments, robots, environmental monitoring, and many other applications. Thanks for watching.